Fuck that shit, man.
Young Victor from the
Bitch, I smoke too much, I'm with young hiccup doing stupid shit. Every time they call up on my phone, I be like, who is this young ass boy? I'ma show you how to put this shit. Baby, on the phone, we use some seed like she tracking, like she tryna get the up inside my room. Ain't no fancy on the phones, I'm on his fake doors. Pussy that you running with. If he disrespect, I put that blade where he still with this.
Y'all can't deal with this how easily I do this shit. Y'all probably still don't get the shit. Whatever, bitch. I ain't even hustling the streets inside they bustling, but I'm just chilling in my castle made of bricks. Whip that gas and through sticks. Sick and tired